The principle is simple, yet its execution can be complex. It's all about calories in versus calories out, the energy balance equation. When you consume fewer calories than your body burns, you lose weight. This is known as a caloric deficit. Now let's talk about metabolism. Your metabolism is like your body's engine, burning the fuel you consume. The rate at which it works varies from person to person. Some may have a naturally fast metabolism, while others may have a slower one. But there's good news. You can influence your metabolic rate. Regular physical activity, for instance, can help speed it up.